NPP amenyoko no wonum semu na ye de ani akire mu nsem from de ye kanyina no ehwo adanse de etwa gu ani mu kata so Facebook page no so sa ayakuma 87.9 FM so muntumri camera na moya se de nsem no esi etie na atiefo be hye no nso obeto dwadada yenim se Ghana mampani na adodanko akufo de wose National Cathedral ne de ye de yesia na obesia ehwo nsem de atiefo nim nsem dada ebaye ababaye ASEM asem eda krom ya wo bi aguso a wo ka bia na nsane na ye na eye mede o me se adwumafo nyina da mama fo bebre tena fia ye se ye tena fia fili kakra fa ye kire na me san ba adwuma ba ne dai na bra na mpanifo ehwe ya na wo modi sa da no wo ba ga na memo se ya national one no de akasepa no koso e wo bo gatanga ehonom ana mampani ene esena pamfo nyina pie mu ho e ma adwuma de na sene tuyisifo Trade Union Congress adwumafo nkabom ko no mpanifo hwe ya wo mo esusu people say ombasere mampani pa say ade na efense National Cathedral no wo msu wonum bu anwuso omobuju so be da na yeye tiba ya abane pesi wo si bibia national one de ne wonye national hospital no obi ehun sampa mampani ba no wasi bibia fanse national hospital na mbom se eye National Cathedral pa de wonum tiisifo no omedituma anya de beye ne wochena ka ho na ene dua yi ana yewura John Dramani Mahama do akasa de ma no ne den ane eye Joyce Bawah Mogtar wonu so de kakra bomade ababonten a wodi piisuo Zenu adi pisi was okay. Ojidie pase TUC fonsem okano. Wono me ya adwene momo susu se asa ka echi kakra asa de nsuo ato ate no afa na TUC fo akofa atam ebi makofa de fansa nkore abesi mo musa nsuo wose bra sanse mo beto odwa na ginam gidigidi pa no mrahye bedwafo nyina do ma no tumu ubaga na memo se amafo pia no omne mampani ya adwene nyeye no bebre do ma no tumu na sabra no na ebia TUC fo nso de o ma no tumu ebia na nka mampani asesa na adwene nemom sabra de wono Joyce Bawah no susu se aka echiri kakra na maame no nsem no to aso obi eni
get funders down and out and career. So who really is going to be building on the quality of education that we all want to? So President Mahama is looking at beyond free SHS. This National Cathedral has been fraught with scandal, mocked in corruption, mocked in money laundering, mocked in failure to adhere to procurement rules, mocked in failure to even adhere to transparency, probity, and accountability, which are the tenets on which the 1992 Constitution is built. When you have a lawyer as president, you don't expect even to have these conversations. The TUC has made a call, but I think that the call is too late in the game. The TUC listened to members of parliament when they spoke about the level of graft, corruption, the stealing that had gone on with this project. Nobody said anything. Do you know the quantum of money that was involved actually in destroying buildings to put up the cathedral? Imagine what that money, look around us. That money could have fed into the 1 million district of the constituency that they promised. None of that has come. So I hope that Ghanaians will learn to elect leaders who do what is right for Ghanaians. The TUC has always been a partner in development. This is their view. Let's see how the President Akufo-Addo and Mahmoud Bawumia handle this request from them.
Enti ojide mapasa edwadifo nkabo mu kuo no wonum kasa ya na edu akiri ye pa kasa na eduru bunumu no agide pasa se kasa na emu do ha ochese mu do emu so da ho na emom asa ka akiri kakra nti no kan wai sabre na kasa asem no na mampani ti wonti mampani anim pe ana TUC fo yi ka asem no ade kire Ghana mampani wone na be de kire fansa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nti nyina ye hwe se bia mampani ebehwe na se wo listen governor mpa na obetie di anatse wetie no ene ensemu a Joyce Bawah Mogtar wono na wakasa edema John Dramani Mahama bosu kena bosu ba ko pani sem na wakan ye bi na yakotie no